In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Cimb card to your Apple Wallet in 2025. Having your card on your Apple Wallet not only makes payments more convenient, but also enhances your financial management. So let's dive right in and simplify this process together. First things first, grab your iPhone and open the Wallet app. It's the one that looks like a little wallet icon, and you can usually find it right on your home screen. If it's not there, just swipe down from the middle of the screen and type Wallet into the search bar to quickly locate it. The Wallet app is your digital financial hub, making it easy to keep all your cards in one place, ready to be used for seamless payments wherever you are. Once you've got the app open, look for the plus icon in the upper right corner. Tapping this icon will begin the process of adding a new card to your wallet. This step is crucial as it tells your device you're ready to add another card to your suite of digital payment options. It's designed to be user-friendly, guiding you step by step towards completion. Next, you'll be prompted to choose between different types of cards. Here you want to select credit or debit card. This option is specifically tailored for adding traditional banking cards, like your Cimb card, and ensures the correct setup for transactions using your Apple device. After selecting credit or debit card, you'll see two options for adding your card. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera or opt to enter the details manually. Scanning is typically faster and minimizes room for error, but if your card is heavily worn or if you prefer, you can manually enter the card number, expiration date, and security code. This step ensures all the essential information needed for transactions is captured accurately, linking your physical card to its digital counterpart. Once your card details are successfully added, it's time to verify your card. For Cimb cards, this usually involves a simple verification process via SMS or the Cimb app. You'll receive a one-time code that you need to input, confirming that you indeed are the card holder and securing your card against unauthorized use. Keep an eye on your messages or within the app for this code, as it's required for the final validation step. And there you have it, you've successfully added your Cimb card to your Apple Wallet. Now, you can enjoy the convenience of paying with just a tap of your phone, securely and effortlessly. Remember, having your card on your Apple Wallet is a great way to streamline your purchases while keeping your payment information safe. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful as you navigate the digital financial landscape.